In today's video, I will walk you through how to use crypto.com/exchange. To get started, go to your account. Once the page loads, scroll down and select the Get Started option. If you already have a crypto.com account, simply log in with your existing account. If you don't already have one, complete the sign-up process and confirm the required information, including your phone number. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main Crypto.com exchange dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. This menu includes options such as dashboard, wallet, staking, and other sections available on the platform. Take a moment to look through these menu options. You can select any section from the left menu whenever you want to access it. Across the top of the screen, you'll also find additional navigation buttons, including Markets and Trade. These allow you to move between the different areas of the exchange. If you look at the assets displayed in your account, you'll notice several actions available on the right side. Depending on the asset, you'll see options such as Trade, Deposit, and Withdraw. To deposit cryptocurrency into your account, go to the Wallet section from the left menu. Once you're inside your wallet, switch to your crypto balances. From there, use the search function to find the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. After selecting the asset, choose the Deposit Crypto option. The exchange will display a wallet address along with a QR code for that cryptocurrency. You can use either the wallet address or the QR code when transferring cryptocurrency from another exchange or wallet into your Crypto.com exchange account. After your cryptocurrency has been deposited, you can return to the trade section using the navigation at the top of the screen whenever you're ready to begin trading. You can also explore the staking section from the left menu. Once you're there, choose the asset you want to stake from the available options. Select the cryptocurrency you want to use, then continue with the staking process shown on the screen. As you continue using the platform, you'll also have access to the markets and trade sections from the top navigation, allowing you to move between different trading features whenever needed. Those are the main areas you'll use when getting started with Crypto.com exchange. Sign in or create your account, access the dashboard, explore the navigation menus, use the wallet to deposit cryptocurrency, access staking if needed, and use the markets and trade sections whenever you're ready to manage your assets on the exchange. Thank you for watching.